Hello students, today's topic is 10th algebra, chapter number 1, linear equations in two variables. So chapter number 1 is linear equations in two variables and practice it 1.1. So here we are going to study question number 1. So read the question. Question number 1 is complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. And equations are given. First equation is 5x plus 3y equal to 9, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So these two equations are given, and question is we have to complete the following activity to solve this simultaneous equation. So here we have to find the values of x and value of y. So see the solution. Here we can see in two equations. We have to see first two equations. Here coefficient of x in first equation is 5 and coefficient of x in second equation is 2, whereas coefficient of y in first equation is 3 and in second equation coefficient of y is again 3. So we can see the coefficient of y is same, but coefficient of x is not same. So to solve such type of examples, we have to prepare the coefficient of any variable equal, but here the coefficient of y is already equal and both is 3 and having opposite sign. In equation 1 3 has plus sign, in equation second 3 has minus sign. So in such case we can add two equations so that this y get cancelled into from two equations. So here we have to add these two equation 1 and equation second, then we will get the answer value of x variable. So let's do that. So add equation 1 and 2. So by adding equation 1 and 2, we can see here first equation is 5x plus 3y equal to 9 and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So I write here separately. Here 5x plus 3y equal to 9 and second equation here 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So when we do addition, then there is no sign change, so sign remain as it is. Then we can see here plus 3y and minus 3y, so this get cancelled, and here 5x and here we have to make addition, so 5x plus 2x, so 5x plus 2x become 7x and equal to 9 plus 12, so 9 plus 12 become 21. Okay, then this 7 is multiple to x become divide to 21. So see here x is equal to 21 divided by 7 and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So answer is x equal to 3. So we get value of x variable. Now we have to put this value of x in any one of the equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. So here we have to put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. So we have to put x value of x in equation 1. So here we can see equation 1 was the 5x and plus 3y equal to 9. So here value of x is now 3, so 5 into 3 plus 3y equal to 9. Then 5 into 3, this 5 into 3 become 15 and plus 3y equal to 9. Then see in this step this 15 has sign plus, transfer to the right side, so become minus. So here right to the left side 3y equal to this 9 as it is and plus 15 become minus 15 when transferred to right side. So 9 minus 15. So 3y equal to 9 minus 15, answer is minus 6. So 3y equal to minus 6. Then this 3 multiple to y become divide to this minus 6. So y equal to minus 6 divided by 3 and y equal to minus 2. So this is value of y minus 2, and we calculated value of x. X is 3, y is minus 2. So this is solution of equation, that is value of x is 3 and value of y is minus 2. Okay, so thus we solve the equation, simultaneous equations, and the solution of equation is 3 and minus 2, that is value of x is 3, value of y is minus 2. Okay, so this is question number 1. Then question number 2. Now this is question number 2, main question 2, and this is sub question number 1 from question number 2. So again two equations are given and same question is there. Solve the following equation. So first equation is now 3a plus 5b equal to 26, and second equation is a plus 5b equal to 22. Here we can see the coefficient of again b variable is same, so b has coefficient in both equation is same, that is 5, but here signs also same, so plus and plus. In first equation we see the coefficient of y is same but signs were different. In first equation sign was plus and in second equation sign was minus, so therefore we make addition there for opposite sign, but here signs are separate. Then here we have to make subtraction of these two equations. So we have to subtract two equations. So subtracting equation second from 1. So we have to write the first equation as it is, 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Then the second equation, that is a plus 5b equal to 26. So write here separately 3a plus 5b equal to 26, and second equation, that is a plus 5b equal to 22. Now in case of subtraction sign changes, and therefore we have to make sign change here. So this a has plus sign, so this sign changes to minus. B has plus sign, so this sign changes as a minus, and this 22 has plus sign, so this also become minus. So we do sign changes, then see the solution. Now 3a and minus a, that is a has coefficient 1 here, so 3a minus 1a, so this become 2a, and 5 plus 5b and this minus 5b get cancelled, so this 2a equal to, now 26 and minus 22, so 26 minus 22, answer become 4, so 2a equal to 4. Now this 2 become divide to 4, so a equal to here 4 upon 2, and 4 divided by 2, answer become 2. So we get value of a, that is value of a is 2, a equal to 2. Now we have to put this value of a in any one of the equation. So substituting value of a in equation number 2. Now we can put in equation number 2, we can put in 1 also. So equation number 2 is a plus 5b equal to 22. So as a is equal to 2, so here 2 plus 5b equal to 22. This plus 2 become minus to right side, so 5b equal to 22 minus 2, so 5b equal to 20, and 5 become divided to 20, so b equal to 20 divided by 5, and answer become 4. So here we get value of b is equal to 4, and we know a equal to 2. So this is solution of equation, that is a equal to 2 and b equal to 4. So a comma b equal to 2 comma 4 is the solution of this simultaneous equation. Okay, so this is question number 1 from question number 2. Then second question from second question again. So equations are x plus 7y equal to 10, and second equation is here 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Now there is alternative method for solving such simultaneous equations. So here we can calculate or we can write formula for any variable, that is like this first equation, x is equal to x plus 7y equal to 10. So we can convert this equation like value of any one variable, that is value of x. So this value of x become x is equal to this 10 as it is, and this plus 7y become minus 7y to the right side. So value of x become 10 minus 7y, and we can use this value to solve the equation. Okay, so this is alternative method. We can solve by any method. So here we get x equal to 10 minus 7, and now we have to put this value of x in equation second. So see, now put value of x in equation number second. So equation second is 3x minus 2y equal to 7. So here 3 into x, so we have to put value like this 3 and into x, so in bracket value of x, and value of x is this one 10 minus 7y. So here we have to write 10 minus 7y, so this is 3x. Okay, then 3x minus 2y is there, so minus 2y as it is, and equal to 7. This is equation number second. So then we have to solve this. So this 3 into 10, 3 into 10 become 30, and sign of 3 is plus, and into sign of this 7y is minus. So plus into minus we know plus into minus is minus. So here minus, and 3 into 7 is 21, so minus 21y, minus 2y as it is, and equal to 7. This is also as it is. Then see, here one more step is there. So minus 21 and minus 2y, minus 21y and minus 2y, so minus minus become addition, and answer sign to the answer is again minus, sign of both. So minus 21 and minus 2 become 23, and sign of both, so this is minus 23y. This plus 30 transfer to right side, so become minus 30 to 7. So minus 23y, this is equal to 7 and minus 30. So minus 23y equal to 7 minus 30. 7 minus 30, answer become, or signs are opposite, 7 has plus, 30 has minus. So plus minus become minus, answer become 23, and sign of greater number, so greater number is 30, 30 has minus sign, so minus 23. So minus 23y is equal to minus 23. This minus 23 multiple to the y become divide to this right side. So y equal to minus 23 and divided by minus 23. So minus divided by minus get cancel, or minus minus become plus, and 23 divided by 23 become 1. So here we get value of y is equal to 1. So then we have to use this value of y to substitute in equation 1. So substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus 7y equal to 10. Then here we have to put value of y as 1. So we can write here x plus 7 into value of y is 1 and is equal to 10. So we get here x plus 7 into 1 is 7 and equal to 10. So here is x equal to, now this plus 7 become minus 7 to right side, so 10 as it is minus 7, and we get x equal to 10 minus 7 as a 3. So value of x is 3, and here we calculated value of y is 1. So the solution of equation is value of x is 3 and value of y is 1. So this is solution of equation. Okay, so this is second question. Then the third question. So third question is, two equations are given, 2x minus 3y equal to 9 and 2x plus y equal to 13. So two equations are given. So here in this equations we can see the coefficient of x is same. So in both equation coefficient of x is 2 and 2, and both having same sign, that is plus 2, and in second equation also plus 2. And we know now when signs are same, then we have to subtract equations. Okay, so here we can subtract equation 2 from equation 1, or we can subtract 1 from 2 also. So subtract equation 2 from 1. So write second equation first. So 2x first equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 9, and minus second equation, 2x plus y equal to 13. So here is 2x minus 3y equal to 9, and second equation here 2x plus y equal to 13. Now we have to subtract these equations, so we have to change, make sign changes. So change the sign, here plus sign, so this become minus, here also plus y, so this sign also become minus, and 13 also has plus sign, so 13 also become minus. Then see, plus 2x and this minus 2x get cancelled, then minus 3y and here minus y, that is minus 1y. So minus 3y and minus 1y, so minus 3 and minus 1 become minus 4y, and this is equal to 9 minus 13. So opposite signs are there, 9 has plus, 13 has minus. So when opposite signs, their subtraction takes place and sign of greater number. So 13 minus 9 become 4, and sign of greater, so minus 4. Then this minus 4 become divided to right side, so y equal to this step, minus 4 divided by minus 4, and minus minus become plus, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So here we get value of y, so y equal to plus 1. Now substitute this value of y in any one of the equation. So here we substitute this value of y in equation second. So see, substitute value of y equal to 1 in equation number second. So equation second is this one, 2x plus y equal to 13, or we can substitute in 1 also. So here we take first equation, so 2x minus 3y equal to 9. Now we have to substitute value of y as a 1 in this equation. So here we get 2x minus 3 into value of y is 1 and equal to 9. So this become 2x minus 3 into 1 become 3 and equal to 9. So this become 2x now equal to 9 as it is, and this minus 3 become plus 3. So this become 2x equal to 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 become 12. This 2 become divide to the right side, so 2 x is equal to 12 and divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2, answer become 6. So value of x is 6. So we put here value in equation 1, same is given here, substituted in equation 2, so answer becomes same, x is equal to 6. So here we get the solution. So first write the value of x always. So value of x is 6 and value of y is 1. So this 6 comma 1 is the solution of equation. Okay, so thus we solve the 3 equations from question number 2. So there are total 8 sub questions in question number 2. So solve the remaining questions. From this we solve three questions. Okay, so this is for today. So this is homework for you to write or solve the equation question number 2, remaining sub questions in question number 2. Okay, thank you.